Are you ready to build your own business without spending a single dollar? Yes, you heard that right. In this video, I'm going to show you real zero investment business ideas you can start today from your home, even from your smartphone. Let's dive straight into the world of free entrepreneurship. First up, freelancing. Whether it's writing, graphic design, video editing, or even voiceovers, platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer let you offer your skills for free. No money needed, just your talent and time. Business idea number 2. Print on demand. Create t-shirt, mug, or hoodie designs using free tools like Canva, then list them on websites like Redbubble or Teespring. They'll handle the printing and shipping. You just collect the profit. Third, manage social media for small businesses. Most small shops or influencers don't know how to grow their Instagram or Facebook, but you can.
Use free tools like Buffer or Meta Business Suite. Offer your service and charge monthly.
Fourth, affiliate marketing. Recommend products you already love and get paid when someone buys. Use Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or even software programs. All you need is a free blog, YouTube channel, or even a TikTok account. Fifth, zero investment dropshipping using content. Find a trending product, get videos from the supplier, and start posting reviews on TikTok or Instagram.
Once you get views, redirect users to a Shopify store with a free trial or a simple WhatsApp order form.
Sixth, teach what you know. Math, English, cooking, fitness, Quran, anything. Use free Zoom or Google Meet and promote on Facebook groups. You don't need a website, just testimonials and a good pitch. Seventh, start a faceless YouTube channel. Use free stock footage, AI voiceover tools, and free editing software like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Niche ideas include tech, travel, luxury, or top 10 facts. Zero investment, high potential. Number 8, sell digital downloads. Create Notion templates, planners, resumes, or ebooks using free templates and list them on Gumroad or Ko-fi. It's free to upload and you keep most of the profits. Ninth, product flipping. Find free items from platforms like Facebook Marketplace, clean them, take better photos, and resell them online. A completely free side hustle if you have transport and time. And finally, write resumes or LinkedIn profiles. People will pay you to improve their job chances. Use free templates and AI tools like ChatGPT to get started. Charge $20 to $100 depending on the country. There you have it. 10 zero investment business ideas you can start right now. No excuses, no capital, just commitment. So which one will you start today? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a fresh start. Your journey begins now, for free.